أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Before we begin to decode the latest cover of The Economist magazine, named The World Ahead 2025, we would like to clarify that we are just exposing the satanic agendas and plans which the Satanists reveal through hidden symbolism and cryptic images. The unseen future is only known to the Almighty alone, and Allah knows the best. The newly elected United States President, Donald Trump, takes the center stage of the cover. This implies the huge significance of Trump winning the election and helping the Satanist elites to establish the new world order by a complete reset. When Trump takes the office on January 20, 2025, he will accomplish the final phase goals just before the one world government. He will be working as a savior of the American people, but we know how deep his roots are in the Freemasonry world. We could also speculate and staged assassination of Trump, through which Iran will be forced into a war that is critically important for Israel to expand its borders. Towards the left of Trump, we could see a missile and a logo of atom besides it, and a photo of Russian President Vladimir Putin besides it, which could possibly hint that we are at the brink of a nuclear attack or a nuclear war. As of today, with Ukraine and NATO provoking Russia, and Taiwan and NATO provoking China, we could manifestly say that we are closer to such a nuclear attack than ever before in the history, and therefore 2025 is the year of caution. The Satanists will make sure that Russia uses the first nuclear weapon under the orders of Vladimir Putin. The Satanists have always been clever enough to play from both sides of the war, and the same thing applies here. They are intentionally provoking Russia through petty attacks which will eventually give Russia an excuse to fire a nuclear missile. Above the logo of atom, there is a picturization of a vaccination syringe. But this is not a regular syringe, as the content inside the syringe is red in color. Therefore this could be a depiction of an upcoming planned chaos through a deadly man-made virus. The Western media has already been doing the predictive programming for a zombie kind of virus for quite some time now through movies, web series, games etc. Towards the left of the deadly syringe is an image of a world globe with a background in red color, and we know that it means danger. The globe focuses on a particular area of the world, which is Asia, Africa, Europe and Australia, with India, Pakistan, Russia, Middle East, China right at the center. So probably, the Satanists will use a deadly virus on this portion of the world with never seen killings before. We already know that a depopulation agenda is on their top priority list. Just above the world globe and syringe, there is an all-seeing eye, besides an hourglass. We already know that this one eye represents the Messiah of the Satanists, which is Dajjal the Antichrist, and through various hadith and scriptures, we are aware of the fact that Dajjal the Antichrist is stuck in a different dimension, or different realm, or different world. And the hourglass, with the sand just starting to drop, suggests that the countdown has started. This is the countdown for the arrival of Dajjal the Antichrist in our dimension or realm or world. The Messiah, which the Zionists and Satanists are waiting for thousands of years, is in the final phase of arriving. In the top portion of the photo, we have an image of city buildings, black in color, and besides it, there is a photo of Chinese President Xi Jinping with a background of binary digits which represents the digital world. And on the other side the world map with red color. So it is clear with this that the Satanists are planning for a complete blackout or a global cyber outage, and the blame will go to China as usual, just as they did during the recent pandemic. This catastrophic event will create a chaos that is beyond your imagination, and this will also act as a catalyst for the nuclear war. Also, the staged event will be used as an opportunity to reset the current, conventional global financial system and introduce a new quantum financial system. The top of the cover has an image of a planet with rings. The only planet which resembles the exact image is Saturn. Now what does planet Saturn represent in the satanic world? You don't even have to look for an ancient Greek or Babylonian book to find the answer. Just go to the official NASA website with planet symbolism, and you will find that planet Saturn represents the god of time and god of seed sowing. Now, through Surah Kahf and various authentic hadiths, we know that Dajjal the Antichrist has been given power over time by Almighty Allah. Dajjal can play with time and can even do time travel, or interdimensional travel, or intergalactic travel. And with the same hadith references, we know that Dajjal will be able to produce food during a time of famine and drought, thus bringing happiness and peace, and also convincing people that he is a true awaited Messiah. Thus the top portion is dedicated towards their god of time, that is Dajjal the Antichrist. Towards the right of the black buildings, there are three symbols, which represents the National Organization of the Anvil. It is the name of a secret paramilitary organization of Mexican origin, with national and international reach. The organization has been described as an ultra-Catholic, anti-communist, anti-Semitic, anti-liberal, and fascist group. We could say that the Satanists have a sinister plan for this organization, which will heavily impact the world. Besides this, we could see the world map focusing on the American region, with black background, which could mean dark bad days for the United States. The Satanists have planned civil war, and massive inflation, along with greatest recession, and complete disruption of the American society. Below the American map, we could see the face of Ursula von der Leyen, who is the president of the European Commission. On her left side, there is radioactive warning, which means the European countries will badly be affected by the nuclear war, and on the other side, a down arrow appears, implicating the collapse of the Western European countries, both financially and politically. Below this, it is quite evident that the electric vehicles will take over the market, as it will give the Satanists complete control over the movements of the people. Towards the right of the electric car, there is a ballot box, which is broken, which means that there will not be any major elections in the future, and a one-world government will be established to rule and govern across the world. This will make the entry of Dajjal the Antichrist much easier, as they already will have complete control. Below the ballot box, we could see some chip designs alongside a factory, which means the artificial intelligence (AI) chips will revolutionize the world and will take over all the major and mainstream devices. I have told you guys in my previous videos and posts that the Satanists will implement AI and blockchain technologies to take over. On the bottom is a photo of Jane Austen, who is an English novelist in the 18th century. Her presence here is very peculiar, as she neither belongs to this generation nor to this genre of politics and news. Her face also appears on the British currency notes of £10. There's something to notice in all her novels that she had said about marriage, for example. Marriage is indeed a maneuvering business, in her novel named Mansfield Park, 1814. Or, happiness in marriage is entirely a matter of chance, etc. So clearly her stance was against marriage and family system, and she herself was not married. So there may be a revolution coming up against marriages and the family system. Also, one of her very famous quotes which I want to take your attention towards is, "If I've told you once, I've told you 100 times," in her novel named Emma. This could be the symbolism used here to warn the world that the Satanists are giving clues in the open and will accomplish their demonic agendas as planned. Apart from these major ones, there are few minor elements in the cover as well, which we will discuss in our next videos.